What do different flu cough sounds indicate? Coughing can be a frustrating part of dealing with the flu, but did you know that the sound of your cough can tell you a lot about what is happening in your body? Understanding these cough sounds can help you manage your flu symptoms at home and know when to seek medical help. First, let's talk about a dry cough. This type of cough is harsh and does not produce any mucus or phlegm. It often feels ticklish or irritating in your throat. A dry cough is usually caused by inflammation in the throat and upper airways from the viral infection. While it can be annoying and disrupt your sleep, it typically does not mean you have a bacterial infection. Next, we have the wet cough, which is also known as a productive cough. This cough produces mucus or phlegm, which your body is trying to expel to clear your airways. The mucus can be clear, yellow, or greenish. A wet cough indicates that your body is actively fighting the infection and working to clear out mucus from your lungs. Remember to spit out the mucus instead of swallowing it to avoid an upset stomach. Sometimes, you might notice a wheezy or asthmatic cough. This is characterized by a high-pitched whistling sound and can happen if you have asthma or other airway conditions. Wheezing indicates that your airways are narrowed or inflamed. If this cough is accompanied by difficulty breathing, it is important to seek medical attention. Another cough sound to be aware of is the barking cough, which is more common in children. It sounds like a seal barking and suggests swelling in the upper airways. This type of cough may come with a hoarse voice or noisy breathing. If the barking cough is severe or lasts a long time, it may require medical evaluation. Lastly, there is the whooping cough sound, which is a severe hacking cough followed by a whooping sound when inhaling. This cough is not typical of the flu and is actually caused by a bacterial infection called pertussis. It is important to recognize this cough as it requires specific treatment. When managing your cough at home, knowing whether it is dry or productive can help you choose the right comfort measures. Staying hydrated and using a humidifier can be very helpful. If your cough is persistent or severe, especially if it sounds wheezy or barking, it is best to consult a healthcare professional. Remember, the duration of your cough matters too. If it lasts less than 3 weeks, it is considered acute. If it lasts between 3 to 8 weeks, it is subacute. And if it goes on for more than 8 weeks, it is chronic. Changes in your cough or worsening symptoms, like coughing up blood or having a high fever, should prompt you to seek medical advice. By paying attention to these cough sounds and their meanings, you can better manage your flu symptoms and ensure you get the care you need. Always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and treatment.